Today, we are going to be talking about drones. What are drones? Drones are unnamed aerial vehicles, or referred to as UAVs, that carries no human pilot or passengers. They can be fully or partially autonomous, but are more often controlled remotely by a human pilot. Who is using drones? People are using drones all over the world for different reasons. Some are using drones for photography and videos. Businesses are using drones to deliver supplies and other resources. And some companies are using drones to get a better look at things like natural disasters, war zones, and dangerous situations that wouldn't be accessible without the use of a drone or a helicopter. Why are they using drones? People and companies are using drones in order to be more efficient, see things that were once not possible to see, and to access areas that would be hard to reach on foot. It makes life easier because you can program drones to do a specific task, making it have a purpose. Where are they using drones? People are using drones all over the world. You can find that drones are being implemented in major companies like Walmart, Amazon, BBC, EasyJet, and many more. Also used in nature in order to get a better look at areas where it isn't easily accessible by foot or areas where natural disasters happen. When are they using drones? The first modern drone was developed in 1935 and served the purpose of aerial target practice. Drones are starting to gain momentum now because of companies like Amazon using them to deliver their products. In the future, drones will be the primary source of delivering goods and supplies. Applying drones to help solve SDGs. Drones can be used to solve issues like hunger and lack of medicine and resources. In many countries, there are areas that aren't easily accessible by vehicles, so it makes it a hassle for things like food and medicine to be obtained by the residents of that area. Drones can solve this because it can efficiently deliver food to areas where people are starving and don't have the resources to get it themselves. Drones can also deliver medicine and supplies the same way it delivers foods. Two truths and one lie. Drones are inexpensive. Drones are used by companies to deliver goods. Drones do not need gasoline to operate.